Time to smoke, man. Roll up this kush, let's take it to the head. They just say that nigga lay that switch it down like it was biz. They just say that nigga nice, that something be so right. I hit her with this plumbing, I her water running pipe. Ha, boy, I'm a motherfucker fool. Took the time I graduated, but then always broke the rules. Took the time to be a fool. It's me and I'm a G. A young nigga in cage, like that boy is like a leech. Hot, getting money, a gangsta young nigga. Counting Benjamins like I'm out here just moving figures. Got to break it down in decimal subtraction, add the odds. They just say that nigga doing it big without even a job. I was young, out of control. Been fucking with hoes, had the middle finger earring like the freezer kept it froze. I'm so on, I condone, like I'm smoking on that strong. Take a couple shots of hand, then I'm out here getting it on. I'm top flight, offing like a new shit. They just say familiar, that nigga on the new shit. For 2 Chainz, I'm finna say 2 things. I just say I got nuts when I got 2 names. Say T.P. the Don, say that boy is like a fool. I just said I'm off the chain like the boy just broke the rule. Fuck the law, fuck the police, I don't like him, never did. I was reppin' all these G's, 7 folks since I was a kid. Next round, I'm finna fuck a fool. I'm out here acting fool like a nigga know the do. I'm young, out of control. I'm back fucking with hoes. See my niggas like I'm on, like them people get me down. I love smoking loud and I love blowing kush, but I got a new job so the nigga can't do what I really like to do. So I'ma act a damn fool. You can look into my eyes and I'ma break the damn rules. Say I'm nuts, I'm crazy, but it's alright. But the next time you see me, y'all be touching down on flights. On that kryptonite like the Superman getter. I told her hustle hard, I'ma go get her. I love money, her rush from Mount Rush. She say that boy touch no time when I bust. She said, oh my God, is it love or is it lust? You can't understand my kiss if you ever feel my touch. Shot, I bagged up, you ain't never know much, but I took the time to concentrate the game on the bus. Real G's moving silence and violence. The dead niggas talking, never. You ain't heard no niggas see my name before, cause snitches get stitches when the nigga coming through the door. My banger on me tuck right up in my trunk. Got the shit going hand with them speakers on bump. Got the 12s in the trunk. Boy, don't get cocky, I'ma get hard, then the nigga get naughty. Got a 38 special tucked under my seat. If you hit a young rat-a-tat-a, let the gun speak. Be quiet, hit the flow, them niggas hit the dough. See them bitches on the floor, cause them killers on the floor. Ha, you know what I mean, walking through the scene. They just say that nigga blowing cash like he smoking green. This weed I love, I'm higher than the cloud. I'm smoking on that cushion, nickname that shit Bobby Brown. I'm off my chain, I say I'm on my name. They say that freestyle like a bicycle, he off the chain. Ha. New shit, new water, new quarters, new baby mamas, new bitches like a new daughter. Ha. I made a baby last night with my girl in the booth. Told a nigga get 2. Rolled 100 million bars like the boy is 2. I'm a young nigga, I'm a gangsta young fool. Say she miss me a lot, I miss her too. So I'm on 294 rushing to who? That my candy, baby. Juicy when she call me, call her my baby. All about pay me. She just say shake boy is on, grind like a payday. Hustle hard like I'm going nuts, boy, hey, hey. Ha! I know I'm nuts. I don't give a fuck, tell them people send it up. You can be a big nigga if you want to. Try this little nigga, watch that burner lift up on you. Mother out my mind, say the boy so fresh, I'm out my prime. They lock me down, I'ma do my time. Then I'm out once again on the block, pushing 9, 8 balls, quarters, bag, pile. Y'all just say you smoking? Bags loud. Hear it down the street when the people wanna speak. They just say that nigga nuts. That's just TP on the beat. Ha. I ain't never growing dreads, you a bitch, nigga. Follow Waka Flocka, all talking ass snitch, nigga. Don't understand anything you talk about. You can't even pronounce your words. Why you coming out with a new verse? The truth hurts. New time, like new work. Uh-oh.